Hauzik Laibak Sinba Thungna Manipur Yauna India gi mafam khudimukta Indian Muslim singna Waqf Board Amendment Bill gi against the sanction liba khongjang asi adukki matik kalle sanction pham su thoi maramdi masi akhoi gi right pun matpa amadi Indian Muslim singbu namdana ba adugumba act amani haibasi akhoi pun makhangna wafamni adubu atopa option laisalatre haibadi act on khabanina Supreme Court na repeal tauba remove tauba natana atopa lambi laisilaktrabana aihaki side tagi Manipur gi pangal community da belong tauba adugum laba Manipur masa ama oina haiba ek asi lokthokpinaba Supreme Court ta petition file tawjaragani haina ai leibak miyam da thamjage. The Waqf Board Amendment Bill has become an act. Now we don't have another option. We have to knock the door of Supreme Court. So I'm going to challenge the act in the Supreme Court. You know that this act is totally unconstitutional and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji trying to exploit our freedom, equality and our right. So we will knock the door of Supreme Court. We will fight for the justice. If we don't fight today, tomorrow they will exploit your right, equality and everything. Let's hope for the best.